nyingi goko bururi-ini makiria kaunti ya Murang'a kuria andu atandatu nio matete mioyo yao mwena wa Gitugi Mathioya thutha wa nyumba cia ukovaninio ni itweka ria tiri utuku wa gukia umuthi.
Chukueni kama sai.
Hamwe na aria matete mioyo yao ni mutumia umwe, muthuri wake, mami wao na ciana ciao ithatu, oro hamwe na mahiu maria marare micini yao.
Na huku kwetu Kiganja tumepatwa na msimba asubuhi ya leo kwa sababu mambo yenye yamepatikana leo hatujaiyaona. Kumekuwa na miporomoko, mambo imekuwa mingi huku, watu wamekufa, na sasa kama watu wa vijiji tuliamka asubuhi kuanzia saa 6 tumekuwa huku.
Akiari ari gwake mwena wa Gitugi mubunge wa Mathioya Edwin Mwangi niaugite thirikari yake ni nyitanire na thirikari ya kaunti hari kweheria aikari aria mahutitio ni itweka riri.
We had been doing. I've been in contact with the governor, with the area MP, our Dr. Mugo, and we have agreed that these people, once they are evacuated, we are going to take them to Botito Polytechnic, go to primary school, in which we are going to supply them with the food, the blankets, those kind of things. I can say that the government is already in place. The government is already aware of this, and actually, as you can see, the area MP, the Honorable Mugo, has already sent his team, which is here. They have even helped so much even to give food. They have even given some snacks.
Oroho mutavania wa mihango ya gikundi kia Mutharaba Mutune kaunti-ini ya Murang'a niwe Immaculate Itemba niorite aikari a Gitugi aria mari ciikaro-ini iria iri na ugwati wa matugika guthamira matura-ini mangi nginya riria mbura ino igathira.
Murang'a South Maragua, especially the Maragua Ridge, experiences a lot of massive flooding. As we are speaking, I know most of the households were not affected, but then all the farm crops were submerged in water. So what I can advise the community of Murang'a is let's be cautious. In case of anything, call us. We have our toll-free numbers 1199, and then we have Murang'a County offices 0796715431.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthigi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatudu.